So in this Kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book hotels with free internet here on Kayak.com. So once Kayak.com is opened up, make sure that stays is selected here. Type in your location, type in the dates, type in the room and the guest, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on the orange search button. Once you're brought to this page here, I want you to go to the top to where it says all filters. Just slide all the way to the right to where it says freebies and then press on freebies to get the drop down. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says free internet and make sure that that is selected. And once that is done, press on apply. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different hotels that are refined to places that only offer with, I guess, your booking with free internet. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book hotels with free internet on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.